Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you the Leica Minilux Zoom that I picked up. I was fortunate enough to find one in good condition. First things first, it had a low battery. Batteries go in the bottom. I took off the cap already. And it's just the regular, what is this thing? CR123A. Just put it right in there, just like the picture shows you. And screw this back on gently, and don't destroy anything or cross thread anything because you'll regret it later. I'm using a nickel to tighten it. Not over tightened. Alright, cool. And so I'm going to load it with film, show you how to do that. It's really simple. I'm using Ilford Delta 400 this time. And once you've got it in, you can test this. Alright, so it extends. It's got a nice little digital readout there on the top. Tells you how many exposures you've used, not how many you have left. Got some somewhat manual controls here as well, but it's mostly automatic. Pretty decent point and shoot. Alright, and the first thing you're going to want to do when you're loading the film is open up the back. Alright, pretty simple stuff. And you're going to notice that the film actually gets loaded upside down. Well, right side up for this camera, but upside down in comparison to other regular point and shoots or any other cameras in general. So you're actually going to be pointing it this way, and it's a lot simpler than other cameras to load as well. So you just put your film in here. Alright, pull it over just until it comes across here, and you just leave it like that, just sitting there. And when you close it, it should wind itself automatically, and you'll know because your counter will go up. So let's see. I'm just gonna focus on it really quick. And there we go. And so now it should be good for me to go and start shooting. Take a picture of myself. I can zoom in on it if I want to, zoom out. There we go, and it's advanced to number 2. So, really simple. I'm excited to get the results back from shooting this. I already pushed one roll of film through it, and we'll see how it goes, how it comes out. But I've noticed it's really heavy in comparison to other point and shoots this size. So I'm really excited to see how it compares in quality, photo quality at least, to like the normal other Panasonic or Pentax 35 millimeters I've shot and have. And it's 35 millimeters, so it's film, so it's a little bit different than shooting with like my G7X or whatever other Canon point and shoot I had before. So alright, and like I said, I'm really excited to start shooting with this thing. Let me play with it a little bit longer, and I'll post some results on how I feel it performs. That's it, just a really quick short video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll be doing a lot more camera stuff now that things have mellowed out at home a little bit. So yeah, thanks for watching.